Expand the God particles within your DNA. Your DNA has innate light receptors that are eager to awaken and radiate. Illuminate and elevate your energy. It's the light within, or the God particle in each cell. It's epigenetic science. Illuminate and elevate your pineal gland, also known as the third eye chakra. Radiate your DNA light with mind power and intention. Visualize beaming your DNA's electromagnetic light to attract your daily birthrights. Your pineal third eye is the portal or gateway to your multidimensional progression. Beloved Galactic Spirit, your energy is a unique contribution to universal wholeness and our ever-evolving new Earth. Each daily light-coded birthright will deepen your soul purpose. Feel today's energy and know that success is already yours. How does today's mini story of self-realization and your wholeness inspire your highest mind and evolving self? Observe your ever-evolving galactic spirit. Discover self-realization. Experience synchronicity. Notice your birthrights unfolding. And witness expanded consciousness. Magnificent galactic spirit, how are you energizing your birthrights and today's mini evolutionary story of you?